Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome to Faye Vids. I'm still in Cook Island, so today I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat. It's a parrotfish, and a Cook Island taro. It's their taro, and of course the donut. And then I've got a coffee. I thought I'd have it with coffee. Is that a smiley face? Yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. Getting excited to, enjoy this fish here. And in this cup, I have a coconut juice from the coconut from the fish here. So, yep. I'm about to enjoy this because I like parrotfish. It's got different texture and flavour. Oh, it does taste like a fish. What am I talking about? Oh, yum. It's got like to me it's like a flounder, but nice. Put a bit of salt just to spruce up the flavour. I will show you. Okay, look at that. Oh la la, looks yummy, doesn't it? Doesn't it? To me. Yep, I'm still in Cook Island. I've got another week and a half here. The Cook Island taro is chewy, and I like that. It's so nice. This is the coconut drink. The coconut it's called sueya. It's called sueya in Samoa. That's how we do it. We can put it in a cup and drink the coconut cream soup that we boil the fish in. This fish is so lovely. Look at the meat. You can get this fish in Samoa too. I don't know what it's called in Samoa, but all I know is I was told it's parrotfish. My sister-in-law gave this parrotfish, quite a big one too, because she stays at the edge of the seawater, so you just have to go out and spear it and bring it in or fish it with the rod. So when we went to visit her, she was telling us about the fish that her grandson caught. Well, the fishes actually, and then she gave us one of them. So fish from the sea. See, some people like to get their fish from fillets or something, but this is the real way of eating it. Well, it's still got the bones on it. It's so nice. I'm happy to eat it because it's fresh from the sea. Not like some. You have to go to the fish shop and you don't know how old it is. Look at that. There guys. Okay. I'm enjoying looking for the bones, so don't worry. Look, if you can't find a comb, alright, just dry this up and just go through and comb your hair. Just kidding. Nick minute. Yep. Oh, and look at this. Nice soft donut. We went to Punana Market and there were some ladies there selling my coffee. It was $5. $5 for a bag of 8. Isn't that cheap? I'm enjoying myself here in Maori, in Cook Island. My sister-in-law was telling me there's a lot of tourists coming here and there's not enough accommodation for them. So a lot of people are visiting Cook Island, and why wouldn't they? Cook Island is lovely. Can you hear that chicken or whatever it is making that noise outside? Is that a chicken or a rooster? Kind of like.
Chicken.
Yeah, that's a chicken.
They're going to roost. They're going up the tree. Roost.
Oh. $5 bag of donuts here in the Cook Island. Man, that's good. When our flight came from Australia, we were getting off the plane at the airport here in Cook Island. There was 4 Samoan ladies. Yep, they were here and I wanted to talk to them. I wanted to say hello, but we had to go look for our bags. I wanted to say, oh, you guys here for a visit or you guys living here? There's even a Samoan community here in Cook Island. There's the people that they come here and they love it, and then they want to stay. What? Because even though Samoa is nice, I find that Cook Island is better for me. I like it anyway. I don't know why, because there's a lot of similarities. Even this fish, you can get a lot more different fishes in Samoa than here in Cook Island. So Samoa's good in that department. Yeah, you guys should come for a visit to the Cook Islands. There's a lot to do. Now you can go buggy riding, and you can go to the safari tour. They'll take you around the mountains and that. And then they provide a nice lunch. Or you can go on the this ride over the water. I forgot what it's called. And then they take you to an island, and then they'll show you how to climb a coconut tree. And then they'll even ask you if you want to climb the coconut tree, and you can give it a go. Most will only go up about this high, but then the guy that actually is running it, he climbs up the coconut tree so fast, and he's the one that won the championship of tree climbing, coconut tree climbing. Oh, I wish I remembered his name, but the Cook Islanders would know his name. But I'm a Samoan, so does that give me the excuse? I was supposed to go to the market, night market, Moody night market tonight to eat, but I can't, you know, miss out on this chance to enjoy this fish from the sea. Compliments of my sister-in-law. It's taro, nice and chewy. I mean, it's almost like purple. Well, it does look purple, eh? But it's so chewy. I like it. My husband's going to over to Aitataki, probably Wednesday or Thursday. Tupa. He might bring me back some tupa. And that's crabs.
Yeah, Mukbang.
And then I'll show you guys if he does bring me some.
If.
I did say if. Anyways. And if he doesn't, I'm sure I'll get over it because I'm trying to, you know, get my mukbang done.
I'm sure they told him got some too.
Guys, I finished. And it's beautiful. It's nice. Oh, look, I didn't finish this. My taro. I finished my fish, but I haven't finished my taro. Oh well, I'm gonna drink this juice. Such a nice taro. If only we can get it in where I'm living right now, Sydney. Very nice. Very chewy. Nice. So nice, guys. Oh, ran out. Oh well. Well, it's done. Cleaned up. Is it only my bones? That was real nice. Okay, time for the coffee. Anyway, guys, you guys take care. Thanks for stopping by and watching my videos. I appreciate that. And don't forget, subscribe, and whoever subscribed to me, I'll come and subscribe back, because it's all about the support out there in the YouTube world. And keep your videos coming too, because I enjoy watching, you know, people's videos. There's some people that I really thoroughly enjoy watching their videos, and I hope you come through and oops, and watch mine. I always notice it's the food that I really enjoy eating that it makes me burp. And there's someone always asking me to do an actual burp. I tell you, I teach my kids not to burp and without saying, you know, excuse me and stuff like that. And now I'm on doing my YouTube videos, I'm getting people requesting me to burp. Okay. Anyway, that's why I just wanted to mention that. Okay, so if I do burp, please, you know, don't be angry and, you know, leave me a horrible comment or something. Just understand I'm just trying to do it because there are other people that ask me. So, but you take care, okay? Stay awesome. Yeah, this parrotfish was delicious today. Thank you to Cook Island and the fish that's swimming around out there waiting to be eaten. And for my sister-in-law for her love for, you know, giving it to us for dinner. Okay, take care. Adios. And ka kite from Cook Island.